How to write an executive summary for a business plan. Today, I'm going to talk about a key part of your business plan, the executive summary. It's the first thing people read, so it's important to get it right. Let's go through the main points together. First off, what's an executive summary? It's a brief overview of your entire business plan, highlighting the most important parts. Think of it as your business's introduction. It should be clear, well-structured, and engaging, prompting the reader to want to learn more. It also should provide enough information to convey the business plan's purpose. Simply put, it is an outline of the business plan, and it helps readers to understand your business before making any decision. What are the key components of your executive summary? Company description: introduce your business, its name, location, and what you offer. Mission statement: explain your company's purpose and the value you provide to customers. Market analysis: give a snapshot of your target market and the industry landscape. Products or services: describe what you're selling and what makes it unique. Marketing and sales strategy: outline how you plan to attract and keep customers. Financial projections: provide an overview of your expected revenue and growth. Funding requirements: if you're seeking investment, state how much you need and how you'll use it. Now, let's talk about the process of writing a good executive summary to help give you a better idea. The executive summary should list the main takeaways from each of the major sections of your business plan. Let's talk about a few things you should remember while writing the executive summary for your plan. Write it last. Even though it's the first section, write it after completing your business plan. This way you can accurately summarize the key points. Keep it concise. Aim for 5 to 10% of the full document's length. Be brief but comprehensive. Use clear language. Avoid jargon and technical terms. Your goal is to make it accessible to all readers. Tailor to your audience. Consider who will read the summary and adjust the tone and information accordingly. Highlight value proposition. Clearly state what sets your business apart and why it's a good investment. Review and edit. Ensure there are no errors and that it aligns with the rest of your business plan. A well-crafted executive summary can open doors to funding and partnerships. It's a powerful tool in your business toolkit. I hope you now know what it takes to write an engaging executive summary. Hope this has been helpful to you in your writing journey. If you are still confused or don't know where to start, then you can always rely on good business plan software like Upmetrics. Upmetrics is an AI-powered business planning software that can help you quickly turn your idea into a well-crafted business plan. Simply answer a few business-related questions and your plan will be ready in less than 10 minutes. You can also use its AI writing assistant to write, refine, shorten, expand, or translate your plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips. Need some more help writing the executive summary? Click on the link in the description box to learn more. See you till the next time.